Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In part 2 of our essential Toyota Highlander maintenance tips, we're continuing with more crucial advice to keep your SUV in top shape. Let's jump right in. Drain the old fluid. Remove the drain plug to let the old fluid drain out. Make sure the catch pan is in place to collect the old fluid. Replace filter. If applicable, replace the transmission filter before adding new fluid. Refill with new fluid. Use a funnel to add the new transmission fluid through the dipstick tube. Be precise about the amount required as per your owner's manual. Taking these steps ensures proper lubrication and cooling of the transmission components, which helps in smooth gear shifts and prolongs the transmission's life. Signs of transmission issues. Recognizing early signs of transmission problems can save you from hefty repair bills and extend your Highlander's lifespan. Common signs to watch out for. Slipping gears. If your transmission slips between gears without any input, it could indicate worn-out components or low fluid levels. Delayed shifting. Noticeable delays in gear shifting might mean there's a problem with the transmission fluid or a more significant internal issue. Unusual noises. Clunking, whining, or humming sounds during shifting can signal mechanical problems or fluid issues. Fluid leaks. Transmission fluid leaks often appear as red or brown puddles under your vehicle. This is a serious issue that requires immediate attention. Burning smell. A burnt odor can mean your transmission is overheating or the fluid is burning. Importance of early detection. Prevent major damage. Addressing problems early can prevent more serious damage that can require costly repairs or even a full transmission replacement. Safety concerns. A faulty transmission can affect your vehicle's performance and safety. Early repairs ensure you can drive confidently and safely. Ignoring these signs can lead to bigger problems. Being proactive about transmission maintenance keeps your Toyota Highlander running smoothly and efficiently. By following these guidelines, you ensure your Highlander's transmission remains reliable and functional, allowing you to focus on enjoying your drive without unexpected interruptions. Brake system maintenance. One of the most crucial elements of vehicle safety is maintaining your Toyota Highlander's brake system. Proper brake maintenance ensures your SUV can stop effectively and safely, preventing accidents and keeping you and your passengers safe. Brake pad and rotor inspections. Regular inspection of your brake pads and rotors is essential. Here's how you can do it and know when to replace them. Visual inspection. Start by looking at your brake pads through the spaces of your wheel's spokes. You should see at least 1/4 inch of the pad. If it's less, it's time for a replacement. Thickness check. If you have the tools and knowledge, remove the wheel and measure the brake pad's thickness. They should be at least 3 mm thick. If they're thinner, replace them. Rotor inspection. Check the surface of the rotors for grooves or scoring. Uneven wear or any visible damage means the rotors need resurfacing or replacement. Listen for noises. Squeaking or grinding sounds when braking can indicate worn-out pads or damaged rotors. Don't ignore these sounds. They often signal the need for immediate attention. Brake performance. If you notice reduced braking performance, like a longer stopping distance, it's a clear sign to inspect the brake system. Regular inspections help prevent brake failure and ensure your vehicle stops as needed. Brake fluid maintenance. Brake fluid is key to your brake system's functionality. It transfers the force you apply on the brake pedal to the wheels. Here's how to keep it in top shape. Checking the fluid level. Locate the reservoir. Open the hood and find the brake fluid reservoir on the master cylinder. It's usually near the firewall. Check levels. The reservoir has min and max marks. Ensure the fluid is between these marks. If it's low, top it up. Inspect fluid condition. Brake fluid should be clear or slightly yellow. If it's dark or dirty, it needs changing. Changing brake fluid. When to change. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time, which can lead to brake failure. Change it every 2-3 years or as recommended by your owner's manual. DIY or professional. While you can change brake fluid yourself, it's often better to have a professional do it to ensure no air enters the system, which can cause brake failure. Bleeding the brakes. After changing the fluid, bleed the brakes to remove any air bubbles. This ensures the brakes function correctly. Regular brake fluid checks and changes maintain the braking system's effectiveness, ensuring your safety on the road. Maintaining brake system health. Maintaining your brake system goes beyond just pads and fluid. Here are some additional tips. Avoid hard braking. Frequent hard braking can wear out pads and rotors quickly. Drive smoothly and brake gently whenever possible. Regular service. Have your brakes professionally inspected and serviced regularly. A professional can spot issues you might miss and ensure everything is in working order. Listen to your car. Pay attention to how your brakes feel and sound. Any changes can indicate an issue that needs addressing. Brake system upgrades. Consider upgrading your brake system if you frequently tow heavy loads or drive in mountainous areas. Performance brake pads and rotors can provide better stopping power and durability. Proper brake maintenance is essential for safe driving. By regularly inspecting and servicing your brake system, you ensure your Toyota Highlander remains a reliable and safe vehicle. Battery and electrical system maintenance. The battery and electrical system in your Toyota Highlander play a vital role in ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly. Proper maintenance of these components can prevent unexpected breakdowns and extend the lifespan of your SUV. Battery maintenance. Keeping your battery in good condition is essential for the overall health of your Highlander. Here's how to do it. Regular inspection. Visual check. Inspect the battery regularly for any signs of damage or corrosion. Look for cracks in the case and any buildup of corrosion around the terminals. Clean terminals. Corrosion can prevent the battery from functioning properly. Clean the terminals with a mixture of baking soda and water, using a brush to scrub away the buildup. Secure connections. Ensure the battery terminals are tightly connected. Loose connections can cause starting issues and affect the battery's performance. Battery testing. Voltage check. Use a multimeter to check the battery's voltage. A fully charged battery should read around 12.6 volts or higher when the engine is off. That's it for part 2 of our Toyota Highlander maintenance tips. Stay tuned for part 3. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.